Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marlu and today I'm going to back two big orders and I'm so excited yeah, to show you guys. So I got two orders from the same girl, but I combined the two and then I got another order. So in total of 3 journals, which I had to make from scratch. I mean from scratch, like they were not like journals I had already like laying around. I had to create them. So I've been really busy the past 2 days making these journals, and I love the way they turned out. I'm very proud of them. Everything went well, and they just look so good. So, starting with the first order, she ordered 2 set of earrings. So the green suns and the daisy earrings. These are 250 a pair. And she also bought a Pride and Prejudice journal. I've made one before, so I announced in my story that I was going to post one, and then she bought it. So I made it for her today, and yeah, it kind of goes like that. If you ever want me to make a journal, you can just tell me, and I'll buy the book or like create a cover. I've done that for the other two that you will see in a minute. But yeah, if you just have a favorite book, you can let me work my magic, I guess. So I am packaging the charm that comes with it, just so it doesn't damage the journal. Like, I don't know what could happen. Maybe it will like get stuck between the pages. Maybe it would scratch, or I don't know. I just try to like be mindful about packaging because I am reusing a lot. So this is newspaper paper from a book that I got secondhand, and then the like, I don't know what that's called. The thing I use around the charms is also reused, and the boxes and envelopes I send it in are also reused. So that's really nice. In my opinion, like the box might not look that fabulous, but I always make sure that the packaging looks cute because that is what you also like pay for. When you shop with me, you want cute packaging, so that's what you'll get. But I try to be mindful about the environment as well. So I'm just packing my order like I usually do with journals. So I wrap it like a gift and I add some baby's breath. And my earrings I put on that cardstock and put it in a cute bag. So each order comes with a little bag with stickers and some of like my little ephemera like leftovers, and of course a discount code for your next order. So I tried to send out my orders the same or the next day. So like this order I got literally at like 1 a.m. and I sent it out today. So pretty proud of myself. And actually had to make the journal. So like it was still book when I woke up this morning. So yeah, I'm kind of tired right now, but I want to edit this video so I can upload it. So this journal is small enough to fit in a mailbox, so that is super nice if you want to like save on shipping cost. This package is going to the US, so you pay $7.75 for like a journal that fits through your mailbox. So that says it underneath the pictures, of course. But if you would like a custom journal, you can just tell me what you want. If you want like a big journal like I use, that is going to be a 3-inch spine, and that is going to be something that doesn't fit in the mailbox, but that price differs per country. So for example, to the UK, that's €12. So just so you know. So if you want a custom journal, think about that beforehand. If you want a big journal, or if you want to buy multiple journals, you could also just go for a bigger spine because you have to pay more shipping anyways. So yeah, all kind of things. So moving on to this next order. So this is like 2 orders in one, and it's 2 journals, and it's a lot. It's a lot. So I'm so excited to show you. I'm very proud of this journal that I made. It is Lana Del Rey themed, which I am obsessed with Lana Del Rey. So this was totally like not easy, but like I totally knew what fit the aesthetic, and that was really nice because I just knew which colors and which, like, I used butterflies and I used cherry and I used the color red, and I also used a lot of pinks because of the cover background that she chose. So with this journal, it's totally custom. So she sent me a couple of, well, she sent me a picture that she wanted on the cover, and that picture couldn't be on the cover because of the like low resolution. So I searched for more photos in that photo shoot, and I made this cover and like checked it up with her. So that's how custom you can go. And then I have to order the notebook from a store, which is a local shop, so it's not like super bad or anything. It's just local. So yeah, and then I go make it into a journal. Same with this one. This one is the craft team. So as you can see, this one does have a smaller spine. So that spine is around 3 centimeters, and it has 2 inserts, and the other one is 3 inches. Well, that's confusing. That's just how I use it. I use it like I use measurements however it like fits me. So 3 centimeters is this one, 3 inches is the big one. Yeah, it's not, I'm sorry, that didn't make any sense. I'm sorry. So yeah, this is the craft one, which is a movie about like witchy things. Like I haven't actually seen it. I really want to. I think it's gonna be nice. And I just used a lot of purples, and yeah, I added a moon charm which fitted the spine, and also, you know, the witch aesthetic, and I loved it. I love using the lilac, and yeah, it was a lot of fun to make. So I'm just packing that the same way I did the others and added some baby spread. So she also ordered some custom envelopes and a flip book. So I don't show you the inside of the flip book. If you want to see that, go to my Instagram and I'll show you there. So that was really nice. And she also ordered a surprise stationery bundle. So I did as well. Oh, she also ordered a handmade postcard. So that's what you can see here. She ordered a bunch of my butterfly ephemera. So I have like butterflies and flowers. Then I have like stamped butterflies. And she also ordered 4 of my gift bags. So these gift bags are really small and they're perfect for like earrings or anything small. She ordered my like I said, my butterflies, my leaves, and also my mason jars. She ordered these stamped envelopes. They come in a set of 5, and she also ordered my vintage written envelopes. Is that everything? No. She also ordered my 5 pieces of floral paper. You can also buy them in 10, and they're just so pretty. I think that was all. Yeah, so I needed to get quite some packaging. So at first I got this little craft bag and stamped it. I thought it could use some decoration, and that way she can reuse it or put it in her journal, anything like that. I thought that would be fun. And then when I stuffed it, it was getting really full. So I also got one of my like smaller candy bags and put the smaller items in there. So this was a really big order. Please tell me if you're watching this. If I left anything out, I'll resend it. It was a lot. It was really hard because I was also filming, but I think I sent everything. Pretty sure. So yeah, I really wanted to make it pretty, and yeah, I love these stamps so much. Also write her name on the back, and then I'm going to stuff it with all the things. Of course, she gets a little bag of freebies as well as a discount code for her next order, my business card, of course my logo sticker, which I also use to close these bags. I love my logo sticker so much. So yeah, if you like the art on my logo, please go check out Sheepy Star Chan on Instagram or on YouTube. she's amazing. She has a Patreon as well where you can support her. Talking about Patreon, I also have a Patreon. If you want to sign up for my Patreon, the link is in my description. When you do, you also have a discount code for my shop that you can use at any time, as well as Happy Meal. So you can just take a look at my Patreon and see what tier suits you best. And I would love to have you on there. I upload extra videos on there as well, and I love talking to you guys on there. So yeah, I'm just putting everything in there. That set of vintage envelopes came with a extra card, and then all the mail I put in that envelope. This is the stationery bundle, so I just put a lot of different things like twine, washi tape, wax seals, cards, envelopes, all sorts of things, and then I try to close this back. And then I'm going to fill the candy bag with the smaller items. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can also follow me on Instagram. It's Mae Journals Low Bar. And if you want to check out any of these products, you can find me on Instagram as well, Mae Journals Shop. And you can order through DMs. And if you don't have that, you can also send me a Facebook message. Or email me. That's also a thing. So, yeah, I hope everyone is doing well, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye!